Welcome to Mama Chinese. Today we are going to talk about greetings in daily life, as it may be quite useful during the daily conversation, and we hope the video can be helpful to you. Now let's see the following short dialogue. 你好，老张。你好啊，小王。In the short greeting dialogue, the character 你 means you, and character 好 means good. The two characters 你 and 好 form the word 你好, which means hello. If you would like to say hello to somebody in Chinese, you can say 你好, and probably she or he may say 你好 to you as well in reply. The character 老 means old, aged, long-standing, etc. In addition, it often serves as an appellation for the older people, indicating the people are experienced. This kind of nickname is very common among colleagues. If someone is much older or more experienced than you at work, you can call them by their surname with character 老 ahead. For example, 老李, 老刘, 老杨, and so on. But be aware that the appellation with character 老 is hardly used for women, so never call madam in this way. However, on the contrary, the appellation with character 小 ahead can be used both for males and females. So if someone is much younger than you, no matter man or woman, you can address them by their surname with character 小 ahead. For example, 小陈, 小刘, 小杨, and so on. And character 小 in Chinese means small, little, young, etc. And for the character 啊 in the second sentence has no real meaning, but expresses a friendly feeling. In Chinese, we often use some interjections to express emotions, such as the character 啊 here, just like the word 啊 in English. Now let's learn the new characters. The first character we are going to learn is 你, which means you, and the letter N in the pinyin is pronounced as N, and the letter I is pronounced as E, and the pinyin follows the third tone. So the character 你 pronounces as N, Yi, Ni. If you would like to, you can follow me. N, Yi, Ni. N, Yi, Ni. The writing of character 你 is not very hard. The left part of it actually stands for human, as in Chinese, the word human or say people or person is written in this way, just like a working guy, isn't it? This transformation, character 人 forms into the left part of character 你, and the writing of character 你 is in this way. Now let's move to the character 好. The letter H in the pinyin of character 好 is pronounced as he. Letters A and O are together, pronounced as ao. The pinyin of the character 好 follows the third tone, so it pronounces as he, ao, 好. If you would like to, you can follow me. He, ao, 好. He, ao, 好. It's a bit interesting that the left part of character 好 is the character 女 in Chinese, which means woman, female, daughter, and so on. Where the right part of character 好 is the character 子, which stands for son, boy, and so on. So it can be comprehended as one girl plus one boy makes good. As the character 好 in Chinese means good, fine, nice, complete, okay, etc. The writing of character 好 is neither easy nor hard. In the beginning, it may feel a bit tricky because it feels more like drawing than writing. However, if you practice a lot, you will find your style to write it well. Here comes the way how to write it. And third character we are going to learn today is character 老. As you already know, it means old. aged, long-standing, etc. For example, 老马, which means old horse. Some of you may still remember the character 马 in Chinese means horse. However, in addition to horse, the character 马 can also serve as the surname. For example, Ma Yun, one of the most outstanding businessmen in China, whose family name is Ma. Besides the character Mao, which we learned in the first episode, can as well serve as the surname. The famous chairman Mao Zedong, some of you may know him, and his surname is Mao. Let's move back to the character Lao. The letter L in the pinyin of character Lao is pronounced as Le, and the letters A and O are combined and pronounced as Ao. The pinyin of character Lao follows the third tone, so it pronounces as Le, Ao, Lao. If you would like to, you can follow me. Le, Ao, Lao. Le, Ao, Lao. The writing of character Lao is in this way. And character A actually has many pronunciations which vary from emotion to emotion. It can be A, and plus one more neutral tone, which is a kind of tone without any accent marks. Just pronounce the pinyin slightly. For example, A. If you would like to, you can follow me. A, 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 A. The writing of character A is quite hard. However, if you would like to, you can have a try in the following way. The last character we are going to learn is 小, which means small, little, young, etc. The letter X in the pinyin of character 小 is pronounced as xi, and the letter I is pronounced as e. Letters A and O are together and pronounced as ao. The pinyin of the character 小 follows the third tone, so it pronounces as xi, i, ao, 小. If you would like to, you can follow me. 西一袄小西一袄小 And the writing of character 小 is very easy. So if you would like to, you can have a try by the following way. Okay, today we know how to say hello in Chinese and how to address people more friendly. Besides, we have learned 5 more new characters. And we are going to learn more greetings in the next episode. Hope to see you dear and have a nice day. Bye.